Hello, and welcome back. In this short video we are going to look at a very common little word in Dutch. The word is Now what is this word? Is a replacement word. It does not really have a meaning on its own. But Dutch uses it all the time to make sentences sound natural. And to avoid repeating things we already know. Let me show you how it works step by step. The first way we use is to say that something exists. Imagine you look outside and the sun is shining. In Dutch you can say is zon. That means there is sun. Now some clouds appear in the sky. You can say zijn wolken. That means there are clouds. Compare this with another way of speaking. You can also say het is zonnig. That means it is sunny. Both are correct, but there is a difference. Het is describes the situation. Is introduces that something exists. Another way we use is to avoid repeating nouns. Let us go to the market. I buy 10 apples. Ik heb 10 appels. That means I have 10 apples. You ask me. Hoeveel appels heb jij? That means, how many apples do you have? I do not want to repeat the word apples again. So I simply say. Ik heb 5. That means, I have 5 of them. Here, replaces the noun we already know. So the sentence stays short and natural. We also use to replace places. Now, imagine we are talking about Amsterdam. Your friend says, Amsterdam is een grote stad. That means Amsterdam is a big city. And you reply, ik woon er. That means, I live there. Another example. Someone says, dat kantoor is nieuw. That means that office is new. And you add, hij werkt er. That means, he works there. Here, takes the place of a location like, in Amsterdam, or op dat kantoor. You do not need to repeat the full place. You just say, Finally we use to talk about presents. You hear the doorbell ring. You look outside and say, is iemand aan de deur. That means there is someone at the door. Or you walk into a cafe and see some free seats. You say, zijn 3 stoelen vrij. That means there are 3 chairs free. In both cases, helps introduce that someone or something is present. So let us recap. Is a replacement word and it has 4 powerful uses. It can say that something exists, for example. Is zon. That means, there is sun. It can avoid repeating a noun. Ik heb 5. That means, I have 5 of them. It can replace a place. Ik woon er. That means, I live there. And it can show presence. Is iemand. That means, there is someone. One small word. But it replaces so much. And that is why you will hear everywhere in Dutch. Keep listening for it. Try saying these examples out loud. And very soon, using will feel completely natural to you. Keep Dutching. Dag.